Hello, this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. In this video, I am going to demo the Rapid Request mobile app. Rapid Request allows for submitting service requests without the need for a Hexagon EAM user license. Once the app is installed, the server settings will need to be defined. As with the other mobile applications, the best way to share this information is by generating a QR code. Check out our video on QR code setup to learn more. After defining the server settings, you can proceed with reporting a case. Now, if this is your first time using the Rapid Request app, you will first be prompted as to whether or not you want the app to use your location. Then you'll need to provide your contact information. At a minimum, you must enter in your first name, last name, and your email address. You then have the option as to whether or not the app should remember your contact information. If you happen to be sharing a device, you may want to consider toggling that setting off. I'm going to leave it on and go ahead and tap Done. Now I can proceed with capturing the case details. First, to include photos, you can tap the camera icon and either activate the camera or select from the library. Next, you'll want to enter in the description of the problem. You can either type in the description or use the voice dictation. In this example, the auto setting on our thermostat does not work. Next, I'll want to provide the location of the problem. And this goes back to that setting I mentioned as to whether or not you allow the app to use your approximate or precise location. I have that turned off, so I'm just going to manually enter in the location. Now, some fields are hidden by default on this screen, but via Screen Designer on the desktop application, you can choose to include the equipment fields along with perhaps the service category and service code. So I'm going to populate the known information and go ahead and tap Done. Now, at any point in time, I can refer back to the Rapid Request app and view the status of my service request. So in the next part, we'll take a look at how these service requests submitted via Rapid Request are represented in the call center. Stay tuned.